Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to break down for you how you can change the name of your app you have created and are currently working on Adalo App Builder in 2026. So let us dive into this. So navigate to the app editor here on Adalo and you may select your app project here from the drop-down menu to the top. Now guys, if you have already created it and would like to change its name, you can do that through the app settings here in the editor. To do that, click into that gear icon on the left sidebar. Here expand the app settings menu, and here just below you will see the current app name. So highlight that or remove the current name, rename it. If you can use up to 80 characters for the description, but you can use also that field to rename your app. Once you have done that, guys, you will see, let me just show you for demonstration purposes, you will see the update app button below to save these changes. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.